Hey, J-Bro's popping in. Yeah, it was a balmy 91 degrees out today, and I probably ran this skid for maybe about 5 hours today. And why I just wanted to pop in here, I'd had the machine sit in the garage here. I just got done eating supper, and I wanted to flip both fans on and just see how fast it took it from 51 degrees. And just see how fast it cools down in here, because it's actually cooled down quite a bit in here. So I just kicked both fans on, and it says 51, so I'm assuming that's just moving some air around the filter, or not the filter, the temp gauge. But what I also wanted to point out too, in that same amount of work, this is where the flares are at that I added. Oh, I didn't take I obviously painted this up, so painters taped around this. So look at how nice that turned out after it got painted. I'll show you the other side. I was very pleased with the outcome. Yeah, just like I would say before, if you're going to be lifting big, and even if you're not going to be lifting big, just add these braces. And now that I've seen this fail, I can't remember, I think it was Sunbear. I just watched one of his videos, and his failed, or started failing down here along with failing up here. So just, just take the couple, I should say the couple of minutes that it takes. Take the time to put these braces on. You won't regret it. But the machine ran great. I destroyed it. I did 3 dump trailer loads fill and hauled that out. Mini did great, and like I said, I ran it quite a bit. Yeah, so here we got the temperature already start dropping. But the hottest my unit got was 85 degrees Celsius. So that would basically peg it 170 degrees in the engine. But like I said, it was running 91 degrees out today, so it was hot. The machine was running. Everything just went great. Like I said, it's the dual fan, the separate fan. Yeah, it just ran great. I'm going to turn this off because I don't really care about that experiment. It didn't, well, I guess it dropped to 50. But I just wanted to show this as well, because I left this fan pretty much run, the secondary one. I left that run pretty much all day today. So when I was bringing loads to where I was dumping, I just left the fan on. So that way I put the machine in the shade and I put the fan on. And here we go. I'm just plugging my batteries in. Let's see where they're at. Yep, and of course both of them are darn near dead, because like I said, I probably stopped and started the, I should probably turn the master power off when I'm charging. I probably stopped and started the mini skid 20 times today, and literally, if the machine was running, this fan was running, and like I said, this fan here was pretty much running, I would say 5 to 6 hours straight. And yeah, it ran the whole entire day, and like I mentioned, everything did great. Yeah, really not a whole lot else to discuss other than, the front support. Not like it's a shock to anybody, but it held up great, and it's nice to have the mini back. I was going to get some video in, but I couldn't find my camera stand when I was looking all around. Well, guess what? There's my camera stand hiding right there. I've got to get my mount on my my skid bracket up here going. My one mount broke, and I've been trying to play with multiple different cameras on the skid, and I just haven't liked their performance just yet. So that's kind of what's going on. Yeah, pretty much just a short one for me. I just wanted to touch base on the mount here and how nice that is working. And yeah, other than that, I guess I did touch up paint these here a little bit. because I saw some nicks and scratches on there, so kind of prettied up that while I was doing some other stuff. I see some other spots I kind of need to touch up here and there where some scratches are coming. Yeah, pretty much just a short one for me. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bros out.